Alright, hello everyone who's watching. It's your girl Tatalicious, and well, today I'm talking about self-confidence. This is a very important attribute to have for everyone. And people have been asking me, Tatalicious, why are you so confident? Why are you so always happy? I think the question is, it's something personal. It begins from inside, within. And when you center yourself to yourself, personal self, and bring it from inside, then show it from outside. Most of the time people fake it. But I think that you are only breaking yourself. When you do have self-confidence, you can do whatever you want. Right now, I'm on a journey of losing some weight because I was over 120 kgs. But now I'm happy to say I'm now on 100 kgs, watching my figure because my doctors had said that it's now too much. You can have a heart attack anytime. So that's called self-confidence. To know what to do with your life, to know where to begin. So I just want to say to everyone, gather your self-confidence, gather your self-oomph to say, this is me. This is me. No one can take me from anywhere. Just go out there, represent yourself, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to hear some feedback. Self-confidence. It's your girl Tatalicious, and I love you so much. Makandi Koshela Mufunge.